Whakalofla here to Haneda Valatau to Tupugilata Mapone. Good evening. In our news headlines for tonight, Ko Whalatai Whai Malolo Sena Moe Whainga Hua Vai, Ke He Taupuka Kuanga Me Siviang He Vai. Public health and water staff undergo water testing training. Koho Hawaii he trains homes e to tangata ke whakatau e tau pāle tālanga me he lakatoa. Trends Homes promote steel-framed houses in Niue. Wamana ki mtakau Niue, gua tuai ke he tau whiua Commonwealth Games he te whai tapu kui mua. Team Niue prepares for the Commonwealth Games in April. Ngā hua whakalata hei whahi malolo sena moe whahi ngā hua vai, ke whakalaula he tau māmaanga ke he tau puhala ke siwe vai he motu. Koe taha nei tau whakatokaanga ke ne kua ki sia ki loto he taha tui hoko Turkey, kua tau siai ha koe le kua ne kua moa ke vai he tau mga hoi kua mole, kua kumi puhala ke whakaholo ki mua e tau puhala ngā hua, me moa e tau whakakuanga mai tau tangata ngā hua.
Aila mea mi Turkey e vai he tutu ki inu, ke laulahi he tau manga, no ko whitāni he siu. Se ko whitāni whoki e tau whakaloanga halo tōru he kana he tau tūla, kai mana ke mga hau nei, ke whahi tapu nei, hako hea matūla tau whakakoanga nei, mo ia e taha pulotu mai he Secretariat of the Pacific Community, ne hoko mai ia ke onono, mai ki sia ha matūla tau pualanga hua, mai mea ke whoki ia ke whakako hako mai, ke he tau mea nei kiki, ne kua nā kaila hoko sia ia. Mauturu ki ai.
O e whakakuanga ne kua tau se ai ke whahi tapu nei, whakamua, koe whakakuanga ke he ua mea holotu ke he sivianga he tau puhala ngā hua ke he vai. Koe whakakuanga ke ua, ki kua ononua tu ke he tau puhala, ke whakata e tau tangata ngā hua, ke tātua e tau vai ke sivi, ke tau mutu kehe ke moa i whalua tau lang mataianga ke tau kumkumianga, ke whakatatai koe hei ngoa mooli he tau le kua, ke he vai, mai tau mena me kua tupu ai ke hai e to moko ki loto he vai. Koe whalaula hianga he halo tūla tolot matala, mai tuang mi Turkey ke he tau whahi leweki atu ai ke he vai he motu.
Tōta he mahuinga e tau whakakoanga nei he mga hala nei, ke moa mai e taha māmaanga kua tōnu mai hako ke ha mautoro a tau puharanga hua, mo e mai ke whuki e mautoro ke whē ilo aki. Ko he ingoa e tonga hua he whahinga hua malolo sino ni tause ke he langa mataianga he whakaoloanga he vai, pia whuki ni mo e whahinga hua ni le veki atu ki he vai, mo e mai ke whuki e alotolu ke langa matai mai e whahinga hua malolo sino ke he mga au nei, ka osi e tau whakakoanga nei, ke sivi au loa e mautolu e vai haka mina toko ngā hoa ka haitu tangatanga hua, kai mai ki e mautolu ke whē langa matai aki, ke whakamawhisi ngā hua, me maua mai vawe e tau hokotaki, ke hata tōla tau wai, me mai ke whuki, ke tuku atu tau hokotaki nei, ke he hata tōla tau taki ki te whahinga hua, ke moa mai whalu a lao mataianga kua lata tonu, ke lata me hata tōla wai, ke tunga ia ke kaikini ke whakahanga mi Turkey tau paipa wai, po ke riu ke kana whuki tau tōla, po ke kumi whalu pohala whuki, ke tātua tau tōla tau sampolo wai nei, ke moa mai whalu hokotaki ni silani, mo tā piki ki ai hata tōla tau whakaroanga ke mga au nei.
Mai longa tuanga he vai, he motu he mga au nei, tūhanghang ke lea ke lata me tu tangata, kai haha iei whoki e tau whakaroanga bisinisi whakafua lopo vai he whakatuwhono, ne kua whai ononoanga ki ai.
Po tau ia whoki e hatu tōru whakaroanga ke he tau lupo vai, ke mga au nei, ke tau kumikumianga nei, he hoko mai hatu tōra polotu, he tau motu kehe, ke whai ononoanga whoki a ia ke he puhala ne utua ke hatu tōra tau koloa nei, ke tātu ke whakafua ka ke tau mā ke si tua si. Tau tahe mahuinga e kumikumianga nei, ke mea ke whoki hatu tōru, ke whakahanganga mi Turkey, e whale ne tausia ke hatu tōru, ne utua ke e tau lupo nei hatu tōru, he oa tau hatu tōru ke pāri mua e akaha ke anoanoanga ke lata me tau tau i mua, ke mua mai tau tupe ka he hatu tōru a koloa uho nei. Haka mai langa hatu tōru, ka whai mena hatu tōru ne hepe ke he tau puhala ne sivi aki, po ke utu aki hatu tōru tau lupo, tau mua mai whaurua tau moko ka he lote tau lupo, so ke lari he mga honei, ke mau e tawana he vai, he mga aho ka utu ai whoki tau lupo, mai tātu ki he tau motu ke whakafua. Me anono whoki ke he whale, ni utu e tau lupo, ke mea ana kai, mai maa popo, ke he mga aho ka whaonga ai, ke nā kai whai moko haka hoko atu ki loto i tau rupo he mangaho tō utu e wai ki ke tātu ke sela ki tua.
Amna ki ke whai kamatamata lau tōru, ka tau se i te whakakuanga, ke holu mtaki, tō mowai e te whakameilonga, ke matutake i e lau tōru e tonga hoi nei, mai motu ke he lata mai siwianga he tawana he vai. The Public Health and Water Division staff are undergoing capacity building training for water assessment and sampling testing analysis this week. In October of last year, the public health officials identified contamination to the island's underground water source, and the public were informed to start boiling drinking water. This year, a few consultants were brought in to carry out an assessment that would identify the causes of the sudden water contamination phenomenon, and from those reports, a few recommendations were proposed. This training this week has been welcomed by both the Public Health and the Water Division as a way forward.
So what we've done as an outcome of the contamination that the country has had, we were able to seek assistance from the Secretariat of the Pacific Community if they could send a technical assistant to do an internal assessment of our procedures to make sure that we are carrying out our assessments the way that we should be. So I guess in a way we are also able to train our colleagues from the Water Division so that we will be able to carry out the sampling, collection, the testing and analysis of the results together. So I guess is getting an understanding of what the two departments' roles and responsibilities are and where we can help strengthen what each of the departments are doing at the moment. And at the same time, we're also able to get the consultant to identify the gaps that we have in the two systems in the departments so that we are able to improve and strengthen on the existing systems that we have to ensure that we are providing accurate results and that we are guided by those results when we formulate our interventions to address the issue of the contamination in the water in the country at the moment.
The timing of this training is ideal to conduct a review and improve water testing standards and processes, but also to look at certifying staff to conduct testing that is up to international standards.
Actually, we are undergoing two training assessments this week. So the training that we had yesterday was on the Niue Water Quality Assessment training. The boys just had the exam this morning, and tomorrow we will start on the IATA certification training. So that training would be for 2.5 days, and it would include ourselves, the Water Division, our colleagues from DEF, as well as the Environment Department that we had also invited to be part of that training. So the idea is for us to get ourselves certified to enable us to send our water samples to New Zealand for analysis, because at this point in time we are not yet certified, hence the reason why we are still unable to send our samples. But we are also continuing to do our assessments here on the island. So I guess as a way forward, whatever recommendations and findings that the consultant or the specialist has, we would be able to, the recommendations would guide us to improve on whatever it is that we need to improve on as the way forward, and also looking at improving the bottling plant and the factory as a whole, and how the water is being bottled for us to be able to take it aboard. I guess for us, the training is of utmost importance to us because we'd now be able to get a fair understanding of what the requirements are in terms of the analysis of the results and what sort of results we're expecting to get. So having an independent, I guess, organization doing the test would also allow us to do cross comparisons, and that will also improve, give us an indication of whether we are on the right track or not with our own testing and analysis in country.
Once the technical and practical exercises are completed, workshop participants will sit an exam next week to become certified so they can carry out the sampling testing to alleviate any more doubts about testing results. Koe taha puhala tālanga whale fō wa mai kei he taha pisinisi ma New Zealand koe Trans Homes ke whakaonga e tau lapatoa kai nā kei whakaonga kau ke langua ki whale. Koe pisinisi Trans Home ne whatu i New Zealand me koe la matai atu ai ke tau tangata ke tālanga he tau whale New Zealand mai o Pasifika. Koe tau ka moale ne hoku mai ha taha lau tūru e te purotu ke he mahina November mai whai tu whakatu tālanga. He tau puhala ni ko mai ki ai he tau tangata he motu ke tai halu tūru tu wharangi he tau whale mai pisinisi nei. Pe he mai Christabella Tālangi koe ka kano ni ko whiwhiri ai e ia ke whakaonga i e tau rapatoa ke lata me hana whale hako ki se tau muka ka whakatatai atu ai ke whakaonga i tau akau. Koe tamina fō ke talaho ia malolo fō ke whale langua ke rapatoa kai ki ke hoku mai e te matangi malolo po ke tau a wha. Kai ki ko manako e tau tangata ke mua tahe tau whale pehe nei mai ki ke uatu ai ke tau tō ai ke tau talahawanga ke halo tōlo tau whaloanga he tau kupeanga hila mai muka ke matutaki atu ai ke kautaha nei. Fōwhai, fōki ka eke kua tālange whale Trans Homes, koe ono ke tōru, po ke one mahina, tō mau pōpō, ka koe uta fōki ni ke laulahi a whale, mo i tau tangata hua tā whale. Mana ki ai a Christabella Tālangi me hana mga whā ke mau pōpō, e kaina halu tōru, ke tau mahina kupu i mua. A new building trend using steel framing is being promoted by Trans Homes to provide residents in Niue an alternative to traditional timber houses. Trans Homes is a New Zealand-based company that has been providing kit-set homes for Pacific Island countries for many years. Trans offers a wide range of materials that can suit various environment conditions, clients' requirements and budget.
Personally chose the metal framing based on my budget. We are living in Niue. For local owners to acquire their own home, their own dream home, I can see within my research again that it will be more suitable for those who would like to have a home in the future to go with metal frame.
Christabella Tālangi is the first client in Niue and she believes metal framing can resist corrosion, last in harsh environment like Niue and is less expensive and more flexible.
Trans Home is a supplier from New Zealand. They service all the South Pacific region and they're able to supply full bedroom setups, whether you want a container home or a spare office, a batch. So it's basically on what you would like to have. They are able to supply all the materials including bathroom fit outs, the windows to doors, to basically everything to complete your home project.
Christabella also happens to be the Trans local agent here in Niue and she briefly explains the process for applying for a Trans Homes kit set.
So basically you visit the website, the Trans website, that is www.transhomes.com. When you have a look at the website, you do need to select what type of house plan you are after. Try and keep it to at least 2, so it just makes it easier for quote-wise if you're wanting to get a number. Once you've selected that, you just email myself. I can give you those details later. Once that's done, basically you want to work on a budget number. So once you have that number, you sort of look at it in a way whether you can afford it or not. If you are wanting to go further to look for lending, and then you would have to seek advice and an application through Niue Development Bank, who will be gladly to help you in that area. So first you check the website, you check what housing plan you are after, email me, I'll give you a quote to see if it's affordable, and then from there we can move forward whether you are going to be self-funded or you'll be looking for lending.
The length of time that it takes for construction is dependent on weather and building contractors, but Bella says it is roughly going to take about 3 to 6 months. Her kit-set home in Hakupu is currently being constructed with about 3 or 4 more months until completion. Le me whahita pine toi tō kamata i te whiua Commonwealth Games ke he Gold Coast i Australia Mo kua matuta ke tau whao me tau sewa se me takau niwe ke ua tua i ke whetoko. Koe tau whiua ka whai hukui niwe, koe humomi, olufua polo, koe whanawhana lupi simeni, mo pui tuwhi. Hoko mai ke mga hone, koe tōrung whamawhai hukui niwe, ka ua ke tau whiua, kai hanga ia ni whala ta papa ka puke me tau tau seanga tō iloa e katoa tahi me takau ke tau whahi ta kuku i mua. Koe whakailoa tua i poki, e me takau olufua polo niwe, ka ua tua i ke Australia, toka hong whamatolo alo tolu. Koe me takau i te whiwhine, ko Christine Hipper, Christine Ioane, Catherine Papani, Pauline Blumsky, mo Pilana Mutfou, koe halo tōla tangata leweke ko Fou Tahovaka. Koe me takau he tau taane ko Keith Papani, Mark Blumsky, Gregory Funaki, Des Hipper, mo Downton Tangilangi. Koe tangata leweke me takau ko Bill Mutfou. Koe tangata whakaako ke lata mo e tau me takau neua ko Joy Peru. Nā kaila whakailoa whakalaula hi e whalu me takau ni toi, kai amuna ki tō whaiwhanwanga mo e tau hukui me takau niwe ke ao tap e whaitapu nei, ke whakatutala ke tau amana kianga mai tau whiua nei. Athletes are in training and preparation for the Commonwealth Games due to start in 5 weeks' time. Team Niue will be sending athletes for boxing, lawn bowls, shooting and athletics. According to the Secretary-General, at this point, there are 34 people who will be part of Team Niue as athletes, officials and media. Niue's lawn bowls team to the upcoming Commonwealth Games has been named and are preparing for competition in just over a month's time. After months of trials and preparation, a squad of 13 athletes and officials will be joining the team. The women's team consists of Catherine Papani, Christine Ioane, Christine Hipper, Pauline Blumsky and Pilana Mutfou, with Fou Tahovaka as the team manager. The men's team, Downton Tangilangi, Des Hipper, Gregory Funaki, Keith Papani and Mark Blumsky, with Bill Mutfou as the team manager, and the team coach for both teams is Joy Peru. Other sports coaches have not yet officially named their teams, but there is a team meeting that will be held this coming Sunday to finalise details and provide an update on progress to date. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Penai de wala tala tutupu ke lata moe a whipnei, kia nonofwa rinnepo tō liu ke whilewe he whaita pukahau. Rinnepo.